Today we talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Mi Home app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go down, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on your name here, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you automatically to next step here. So just waiting to open with you here. So when you just click on it, you click here on your name here again. It's going to take you to this list. You click here on photo profile. So then you click here on browse. Then it's going to show for you a list to add your photo profile on your Mi Home. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.